Hi guys, welcome. This is Amy Uzi. Today I am going to unbox all my items that I received for today in the mail. And this is the package I got from Hampton, California. And this one is from Oceanside, California. And guys, I just want to unbox this. Yan, i-unbox natin to. Guys, yun ako mag-unbox ng aking mga package. This is from Oceanside, California. Ayan guys, another unboxing. Meron tayong scissor dito. Ayan. I-open ko to guys. Ayan, what is this? It's my bracelet necklace. Ayan. Ayan guys, oh my god, this is my favorite color. It's a new bracelet. Tignan nyo naman yung lock niya guys. Ang ganda ng lock niya. Ayan oh. It's master copy bracelet. Ayan yung lock niya. Meron siyang stamp. And the lock, it's so nice. It has a stamp. It's master copy bracelet. Ayan. This black. It's size 18. Ayan, size 18 siya guys. Ayan guys, my new BCA black attached necklace. Size 18 yung chain niya. Size 15mm yung pendant guys. 15mm. Ayan. Ayan guys. Tapos, our next unboxing, ito, this came from Hampton, California. Buksan natin. Isirain ko na. Isirain ko yung box. Yun guys, isirain na natin. Let me see. Ayan, ayan siya, ayan. Tanggalin natin yung ayan guys, it's from Cartier. Ayan guys, yung bag niya, yung certificate niya guys. Ito yung certificate ng Cartier. Unbox natin siya. Guys, look guys, I'm so excited. Ayan, ayan yung box niya guys. Ito yung box ng Cartier. Look, tsaka ito yung certificate. Okay, lagay ko dito. Charan! Ito, ang ganda ng box oh. Ipupush mo to, oh, mag-open na siya. Charan! Ayan guys, I can't wait. I want to see my bracelet, my bangle, the scissors. Charan! Ayan guys. Wow! Beautiful! Guys, ayan. I can wait. Mayroon siyang screw dito. So, Dalawa yung screwdriver na pinadala dahil yung isa extra. So, dalawang magkaibang screwdriver ang nalibre ko. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng screwdriver. Magkaiba siya. Oo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan hindi siya magkapareho ng size. Ito yung original ng screwdriver. Pero ito, nalibre ko lang to. So, I just want to tell you, the screwdriver is not real gold. They're not real gold. Ito lang yung real gold. 18 carats, 29 grams. Guys. It's size 17. So, ito try natin guys. Ito yung screwdriver. Yung original niya, tingnan natin. So, ang sabi sa akin ni Sis Jeep, yung daw original na screwdriver, hindi lapat, kaya hindi nag-open. Teka lang Bakit parang nasira yata yung saan ba yung ring? Ito ba? Saan ba? Ito yung lock niya, no? Ayan. I-ano ko lang siya, guys. Para ma-open ko siya. Maliit, para kasi maliit yung screwdriver. Para tayo mabukas. Mahirap pala pag screwdriver. Mahirap dahan-dahan kasi masisira yung tornilyo niya. Ayan. Ayan, open ko na siya guys. Iniikot ko pa siya. Ayan. Dapat idihin mo pag inikot mo. Ayan, para ma-open yung screw. Ayan guys. Ayan, yan na-open na siya. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan Ayan, na-open na siya guys. Teka, baka malaglag yung screw. Saan natin lalagay ito? Let's try in this sense. Parang mahirap siya, no? Bidiin ko lang siya dito. Teka lang guys, parang masyado siyang nag-open. Ito na yung isang screwdriver. Ito pala yung malaki ang dapat. Teka, masyado siyang nag-open. Teka guys, isa-sample ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya isasara uli. Dapat naka-ano to pag sinara ko. Mahirap pala pag isa ka lang. Ayan guys. Ayan siya Makapal siya guys. Makapal. Hindi ko siya masarap. Precious, come here, help me. I can't screw my bracelet. Bangle. Ay, kaway. Hindi ko siya mais kung mag-isa ko. Teka, ita-try ko. Ayan. Na-try ko siya. Ayan, nasasara ko na. Ayan guys, nasara ko siya. Konti. Ayan siya guys. My new love bangle. Ayan. Ang cute niya, no? Yan, no? With my Burberry watch. Ayan. My rose gold Burberry watch. Ayan guys, thank you. I hope you like my video. I also have another unboxing. Teka lang. Meron pa akong unboxing. Ito, meron akong mga perfume here from Marc Jacob. I also have a Dior perfume. I-unbox ko na rin ngayon para isang unboxing na lang. Habang nandiyan kayo, it's Dior perfume. Okay, let's do unboxing, guys. Let's do the perfume unboxing. Okay, I want to show you this perfume. Ay, ang cute. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan, ang Dior perfume. I hope it's mabango. I hope it smells so good. Spray natin. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Smells so good, guys. The Dior smells so good. This one is my favorite. Bango, ang bango niya. Ayun, guys, oh. Ito yung Dior. Ano siya, tatlo siya na maliliit sa isang box. Ayan, masarap. Ayun, guys. Ito pa yung iba. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute ng bottle, oh. Tingnan natin. Amuyin ko muna. Wow, smells so good. Everything smells so good. Oh, wow. Smells good. And of course, I want to smell this also. This one smells so good too. Wow. Wow. Bango ng Dior. Ayan, guys. Dior perfume. Let's try the other one, the Marc Jacob. Ayan, Marc Jacob naman, guys. Ito, Marc Jacob. I want to see the Marc Jacob. Tagal. Ayan. Ayan, tanggal na. Ayan, guys. Marc Jacob. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Oh, ang cute ng bottle, oh. Meron siyang flowers, oh. Let's, amuyin natin. Let's smell. Okay, dito naman sa kabilang kamay. Oh, wow. Marc Jacob smells so good too. Ayan. Ito yung Marc Jacob na Daisy. This is Daisy Marc Jacob. Okay? And let's try the other one. Ayan, guys. Tabi natin muna itong scissor natin. This one, let's smell this one. What do you call this? Daisy Dream. This is Daisy Dream. Oh, smells so good. Everything smells so good. Tanggal. Teka. Takpan natin na mabuti. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda ng lalagyan niya, oh. Daisy. This is Daisy Dreams. By Marc Jacob. And this is Daisy. And let's try the other one. Let's try this one. This is Daisy. Also Daisy, but I'm sure they're not the same smell. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Everything smells so. Ang bango ng Marc Jacob. So these two are my favorite. Also Burberry, but it's not here yet. So next time abangan nyo yung Burberry, guys. Yun naman na i-unbox ko. Okay, guys. I hope you like my bangle and my perfume and of course my VCA necklace. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, guys, nagustuhan ko tong VCA necklace na to na master copy because ayan, guys, pag bumibili kayo ng VCA sa Dubai Gold, kunin niyo yung master copy para maganda yung lock niya. Tapos may stamp siya. Tapos maganda yung chain. Tsaka maganda yung pendant. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Thank you to all my supporter. Thank you guys. Walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin.